In this video, we're going to look at a CPR scan for consecutive pivot up. Basically, we want to look for CPR which are consecutively going up uh, 3 or more times, right? So the scan. So we want to understand what type of scan we want to do for what type of trading, right? So here, first thing we want to do is we are doing a quarterly scan, basically every 3 months, right? So the CPR is drawn for 3 months. So this scan is done for like positional trading where you want to hold the stock for 3 months or more, right? So let's say let's do a scan. So we want to only do on a weekly scan, all stocks weekly, basically, which means the stocks have weekly options. So this is basically highly liquid stocks. Okay, so now let's go to scan. You can also restrict by S&P 500, all those kind of restriction also you can give. But in our case, we are only doing all stocks weekly options. Okay. Now we are getting one of four stocks. Okay, so let's go 200. 104 stocks are coming up. Okay, in our scan list. Okay, so now let's look at some of the stocks. Okay, let's look at Nvidia. Okay, so let's go to charts. Let's remove everything. Here we are in Amazon, a weekly chart, right? So we want to, if you only scan for quarterly, we want to do a weekly chart. Okay. So now what we want to do is we want to add studies, edit studies, CPR. Okay. We want to uh, make sure it is quarterly. Okay. Because we were scanning quarterly. So you scan for quarterly, but basically do the chart on a weekly. So if you see here, CPR has been keep going up, right? Only now this CPR has come down, right? Because of the fall. So let's look at one more stock. Let's look at GOOG. Okay, chart. Okay, you see here, this also has, because of the tech, come down, right? Typically, what you want to do is you want to look for three CPRs going up, right? The fourth CPR, if you see a candle like that, you want to take the trade. So that you can basically ride on the uptrend, right? So if you see here also 1, 2, 3 has come up, right? You can basically take the trade here. So you want to take the trade when the candles are does not have lower wick, only upper wick. These are Heikin-Ashi candles. So here, when you, let's say when you take the trade here and you keep on riding, when you see a red candle, you get out. Okay, you come out of the trade. Okay, you don't see a candle which is green, just come out. Okay, this is how you want to trade the long-term trading. Okay, this is for a CPR on a weekly basis. Okay, let's do the same thing on a downtrend, right? That let's go to load. 3 consecutive CPR down. Okay, so this is, we are looking for a downtrend. Okay, here quarter and we want to just do 200 weekly scan. Okay, 67 stocks. Okay, so if you look at Ring Central, RING, right? COUP, Boeing, let's say TWLO. Okay, chart WLO. You see here, consecutively is coming down. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So you can just, if you take the trade down here, just keep on going down. Okay, let's look at one more. Say Baba. Here also, this you can see the stock just keep on coming down. Okay, So when three CPRs come down, you can start taking the trade. Third one, so you can start taking the trade at this candle here where it doesn't have upper wick, only lower wick, right? So this is where it downtrend started. You just keep on going to the downtrend. Okay. So this is how you use the CPR, the quarterly CPR for long-term plays. Okay, more than 2 to 3 months. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, please let us know. We provide this CPR for free. Please send us an email so that you can get this CPR for free. Thank you.